Happy birthday, baby, oh. 1 more year old. Your birthday candle make a lovely light, but not as bright as your eyes tonight. Blow out the candle, make your wish come true, for we love to be with you, 'cause we love you so, 'cause we love you so.
Happy birthday, hi! To the audience. Okay.
Because of the lack of memory in the Arduino to store a large amount of movements for playback, we added MIDI support to capture and playback the large sequences that we needed. Then next we added the eyelids and the motors to control them. And then we began designing the neck mount and all the movements for it in Fusion 360. And then after that we printed them.
We have finally had added some motors to like make it tilt and look up, which is in that position right now, and so he can tilt his head left and right. He can look left and right and look down, and all these old movements definitely. Kind of reminds me of the video that's called Afire Nightmare or something like that. And he just goes crazy and all that.
So then we went to the drawing board and designed all the parts for the endoskeleton in Fusion 360. And after we get done modeling this, we stick it in the Microsoft HoloLens so we can actually see it before we print the parts. Then we begin printing the parts. It takes a while. That's the neck. That part's the face. The face took about 3 hours to print on my printer, which is about 4 or 5 years old. I call this part the skull, and this was a 5.5 hour print. Now you can see the whole thing assembled. We printed new eyelids, all new parts. It looks a lot like the drawing. It's got the little servo board mount. That whole neck servo assembly, I'm just holding together with some wire ties. I didn't have the screws. I'll have to go to the hardware store and pick up some screws for it. But it's pretty much ready for a body. The base of the servo neck is designed to go with a 3/4 inch flange for PVC, which we'll use PVC for the body structure. Hi, I'm Jason, and this is my son Wyatt, and we've been working really hard on creating what I thought originally was a Billy Bob, but Wyatt told me we were making Fatz. So we're making Fatz. And you have anything you'd like to say?
Please like and subscribe for more future videos.
Alright.